Ecclesia Cristiano Niue, the biggest religious denomination on the island, is about to celebrate its 40th anniversary, as well as the new committee to take on the next 3 years. The new committee has Reverend Arthur Pingia on the helm, Reverend Aifolia Pomale as the deputy, and Reverend Petestacion Tuato as the secretary, and Aukuso Pavihi and Kennedy Tukutama as deacon representatives. Jack Lipitoy as representative for village elders, and Mata Tahafa as the FCW representative. The 40th Independence Day anniversary is on the 5th of January 2011. And those are our news stories that we have for you this evening. We do hope that you can join us again for our next news bulletin on Thursday. Whakaus mai nei hatatolo at wala tal tutupu galata I mo pone amna ki ke liu fai poki ke he puripo atulato amna ki ni ke no fwa munepo to liu at tulu ke flevea.